Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My hair. So you're probably wondering what is she on about with the blender that I'm going to unbox and her. Well, if you've seen my little clip just before this, I am gonna do a hair conditioner that is high in protein, that consists of avocado, egg, banana, olive oil and coconut oil. So that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm gonna unbox my blender, which I bought these in Lidl store, and I thought it was gonna be a Black Friday special, but it wasn't, unfortunately. So it was at a price of €59, which is not bad because I've seen these online and it is €79. So I kind of got a bargain of €10. So watch me unbox my blender, NutriBullet. I'm here actually. I'm gonna do a video on how I'm gonna do a homemade hair conditioner, and I have a few ingredients that I've shown you on the previous video. But first, before I do this, anyway, welcome back to my channel. I literally just spent 3 hours cleaning the house. When I do my videos, I prefer to kind of freshen up the house so that it makes me feel good to just record something. So anyway, watch me unbox my NutriBullet blender. Super excited. I don't know why, but brand new. It smells good. Very good quality. A lot of boxes in there. There's a little. That's pretty much it. The cup is quite big. And voila. That's the complete thing here. So, but it's quite big, isn't it? I wasn't expecting it to be this big. But you can actually buy the small little cups of those online as well from retail stores. So sorry, my video is upside down, but I am the editor. I need to know how to place these in such a way that I am able to record myself. But this is it. This is the new baby in the house. I love it. Okay, so these are the ingredients I'm gonna need for my hair routine. I have done this before years ago when I used to keep my hair nice and healthy, and then for some reason I just stopped. So I'm gonna go back into this sort of a high protein hair maintenance conditioner. So there's avocado, there's natural yogurt, there's egg, there's banana and olive oil. Now I forgot to buy coconut oil, but that's an after when I finished. So I'm gonna add a little bit of peppermint oil to the mix as well, just to have that smell. And I think I do have a rosemary oil as well, so I'm gonna add into this and do a conditioner, a homemade conditioner for myself. Wrap my head around and overnight stay. Okay, so I was just trying to figure out how the hell do I use this. So apparently you press this. You press. So I was just trying to figure out how this works. Apparently you press it down. That's how you switch it on and off. So it does, that's what it says on this. So I'm gonna transfer this homemade hand conditioner into that. If there is anything that's remaining, but I think I'm gonna use all of it overnight. So thank you so much for watching. This is what I am going to put in my head overnight, and like I said, I've made this before and it has worked great for my hair. Yeah. The intention is to freeze this. The rest I'm gonna use it tonight, I think. Yeah. That's my hair conditioner. I am going to freeze this. Let's see, I have never frozen it before, but I'm gonna give it a try. So every week my intention is to have my hair conditioned on this every week and see how the results are going to be. Yeah, hair in the kitchen. Yes. Just a sample. I will clean the kitchen after this. Don't mind me. You see? The hair loves a bit of moisture. You see? I used to do this almost every week. And then for some reason I stopped. So here you go. I'm gonna do the rest of the hair. And wow.